Okay, super easy. Let's make some veggie dippers. So if you're having a big party or you have little children, you can use one of these little cups. Or if you have teenagers, you can use one of these bigger cups. We are simply gonna put ranch or any kind of your favorite dressing at the bottom. Okay, and then you throw in anything you like. So you got some peppers, some celery. Let's put one or two. Just put the tomato right in the center. So obviously that looks beautiful and people can walk around with that. Or if you have big appetites to feed, we can make this look super exciting. And I know my kids actually love raw vegetables. So I have a couple different kind of peppers. Just trying to make it colorful and pretty. Cut up. And then throw some carrots in there. Some tomatoes. So we've got 2 little cute veggie dipper cups ready for them, or ready for anyone. And I hope you enjoy.